Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Hyundai Kona EV battery replacement. We'll dive into understanding how long these batteries typically last and what factors contribute to their degradation. Then, we'll explore the financial aspects of replacing a high-voltage battery pack. Finally, we'll help you evaluate whether replacing your Kona's battery is a worthwhile investment for your electric vehicle. Hyundai provides a robust warranty for its electric vehicle batteries, typically covering 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. This warranty ensures your battery maintains at least 70% of its original capacity. While degradation is natural, many EV batteries are engineered to endure well over 1,000 full charge cycles, often outlasting the vehicle's other components. Replacing a Hyundai Kona EV battery pack can be a significant investment, with costs generally ranging from $10,000 to $15,000 for the battery itself. Labor charges for this specialized work usually add several hundred to over $1,000. However, you might find more affordable options, such as reliable refurbished battery packs or even replacing individual modules, which can reduce the overall expense. Deciding if a battery replacement is worth it involves several considerations. First, evaluate the overall condition and remaining value of your Kona EV. Remember that battery technology costs are steadily decreasing, making future replacements potentially more affordable. Weigh the replacement cost against buying a new electric vehicle or a different used car to make the best financial decision for your situation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.